So one of the questions you might be asking yourself is, what if I'm Fubar? Now, if you don't know what Fubar means, I'll clean it up a little bit from my time in the military and understanding of that, but it is fouled up beyond all recognition. And it's kind of a deep-seated fear that all entrepreneurs have, that on the surface, everything looks good, making decent amount of revenue, possibly some profit. But under the hood, you really don't want anybody to look at it because it's probably kind of ugly. Let me just put you at ease, because I totally understand where you're coming from, what your fears are, because those are the fears that I have. Over the last almost 2.5 decades of this business, I've made about every mistake possible, some multiple times, unfortunately. And our balance sheet and P&Ls were not something that we're necessarily excited to share with the world because it's ugly. Entrepreneurship's not pretty because we don't always know what we don't know. But as entrepreneurs, we go ahead and do it anyway, and then we figure it out on the backside. That's really the whole reason that we started Kahuna Accounting, and really the whole reason why we're working with entrepreneurs for our Kahuna Value Navigator as part of that wealth journey of entrepreneurship, as they're driving growth, as they're driving profit, as they're driving cash flow to maximize value and build wealth. We're learning how to really utilize the new science of business valuation in a way that lets entrepreneurs use all of those tools that we have available to us to be able to take advantage and not worry about the past, other than to know where we are today so that we can make good plans to achieve what we want to achieve tomorrow. So as we have clarity for where we are, again, good, bad, or ugly, but intentionality for where we want to go, calibrated focus to be able to help us with the things that we need to do today and the things that we need to do tomorrow, and in a sequence to be able to allow all of these things to work together for the future that we want to create. And as part of that, to have a positive ongoing feedback loop to be able to accept information, be able to make corrections as we go. That's entrepreneurship. So if you're worried that, wow, my situation's ugly, it's FUBAR, I wouldn't want anybody to get under the hood and really look at that, don't worry. We understand. That's exactly the reason you should. And that's exactly what we hope you discover with Discovery Business Valuation, so that you can not only understand where you are today, but have the cleanest path for where you want to be tomorrow. Thanks, entrepreneur. Blessings.